So good morning dear students, as we have completed our lesson number 5, that is playing with numbers. So I am taking a short summary of it. Okay, so what is the playing with numbers? So as you know कि every number every digit in a number is having a place value of it. Okay, जैसे हमारे सारे numbers होते हैं उसमें हर एक number की एक place value होती है. Okay, so that place value is used in your lesson for playing with the numbers. That means you have to add numbers, multiply the numbers and find out the different types of calculation by using the variables here. As you all know, variables which we have studied in our lesson number 7. Okay, so at the first what we have studied in this lesson, we have studied how to add the two numbers in which some numbers are missing, and in place of that numbers the alphabet is given in your addition, just like 45 plus 7a. That is your question in which the solution is already provided. 45 plus 7a क्या होता है ये आपको already provided है, that is b3. Then you have to find out the value of a and b, and to find out this value you must know how to add them. Okay, so for this I told you that if the number in the answer, if the number in the answer is smaller than your digit given in the addition, आपका जो आंसर का डिजिट है वो अगर इन नंबर से छोटा है, जो गिवन नंबर है उससे छोटा है, दैट मीन्स यू आर एडिंग द नंबर ग्रेटर देन द नंबर गिवन. दैट मीन्स अगर आपका नंबर जो 3 है वो 5 से छोटा है, दैट मीन्स आप जो नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे वो 5 से ऑफकोर्स बड़ा होगा. या फिर आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि 5 में आपने ऐसा नंबर ऐड किया है जिसका एडिशन 10 के अबाव है. ठीक है, सो 5 में हम ऐसे क्या ऐड करेंगे तो आपको लास्ट का जो आपका आंसर है वो 13 मिलने वाला है. तो 5 में हम ऐड करते हैं 8 so that we get the answer as 13. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. So that's why here the 3. So the value of a is 8 here. So the value of a is 8 here. So 5 plus 8 is 13 and your carry is 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So the value of b is 12. So the value of b is 12 here. Okay. So the value of a is 8 and the value of b is 12 here. Okay. That is the first thing we have studied in this lesson. So how to find the value of the variable if it is given in the addition form. So what is important thing here, if you are adding the two numbers, then if the answer's digit is less than the given digit, then you are adding the number greater than that number. Okay, so here with this concept we are going 5 में ऐसे हम 5 से कौन सा बड़ा नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो लास्ट में 3 आ रहा है, so that is 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So carry is 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So your final answer will be 123. Now next, in the same way you have to subtract the numbers, that is the addition of numbers, and in the same way there are some questions in which the subtraction is given, just like minus 6a and it is equals to b2. Now again you have to find out the value of a and b here. So what is the value of a here? Since you are subtracting something from the 4 and you are getting the answer as 2, so you have to tell me कि आप 4 में से ऐसा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपको आंसर 2 मिलेगा. सो ऑफ कोर्स योर आंसर विल बी 2. आप 4 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले हो तो आपका आंसर मिलेगा 2. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 2 हियर. दैट्स व्हाई द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 2 हियर. नाउ 7 minus 6 is equals to how much? 7 minus 6 is 1 here. That's why the value of b is 1. Okay, so this is the little bit easy question, but I am giving you one more question here. AP minus BA, and in the denominator it is 80 minus BA is equals to 36. Now as we know, as we do the subtraction, we know 0 में से कोई भी नंबर subtract नहीं किया जाता है, and we are taking a borrow from the numbers aside. So it is, I'm taking the borrow from here, so it is 7 and it will become the 10u. Now आपको बताना है 10 में से आप कौन सा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 6 आएगा. तो 10 में से आप 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, then you will get the answer as 6. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. That's why the value of A is 4 here. So 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. And 7 minus how much is equals to 3. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. That's why the value of B is 4. So in this question the value of A and B both are 4. Okay. Just like the addition and the subtraction, we are also studied about the multiplication and the division. Okay. We have also studied about the multiplication and division. But in the multiplication there is a one concept also. Just like the question, okay, 5a into b6 is equals to 342, 114, and that is equals to 1482. ओके. नाउ आपको ये बताना है कि 6 की टेबल में ऐसे कौन से नंबर आता है जिसका आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे तो एंडिंग डिजिट विल बी 2. सो दैट इज 6 2s are 12 and 6 7s are 42. There are two numbers, 6 2s are 12 and 6 7s are 42. So there are two numbers in the 6 table, or you can say there are two multiples of 6 in which the ending digit is 2. So which number we have to write here, either 2 or the 7. That means the two possible values of A are 2 and 7. That means the two possible values of A are 2 and 7. But which value is correct? Okay. So first take any one of the value. कोई भी एक value ले लो, 2 ले लो. Suppose we are taking the 2 here. So 6 2s are 12. So carry will be 1 and 6 5s are 30 and 1 31. The 31 is not here, that means the 2 is not here possibility. So A must be the 7. So we are checking for the 7 also. So 6 7s are 42. Carry is 4 and 6 5s are 30 and 4 is 34. That means the value of A is equals to 7. Now the second thing, which number should be multiplied with 7? So the last digit is a 14. So 7 2s are 40. 7 2s are 40. इधर नथिंग, कोई दूसरा नंबर ऐसा नहीं है उसके टेबल में जिसका अगर आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हो तो लास्ट में 4 आता है. ओके. वाई? बिकॉज 7 1s are 7. ओके. 2s are 14, 3s are 21, 4s are 28, 5s are 35, 6s are 42, 7s are 49, 8s are 56, 9s are 63. Nothing, no other number in which the ending digit is 4. So the B must be equals to the 2. So 2 7s are 14, carry 1 and 2 5s are 50, 2 5s are 10 and 1 is 11. So the value for A is 7 here and the value for B is 2 here. Okay. So this is your multiplication. Okay. In the same way there is a division concept also, but the division concept is easy. Okay. Just as you know कि जैसे हमने अभी यहाँ पे निकाला है एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, डिवीजन इज ऑल्सो same. Okay. So based on all this concept, there is exercise 5a in which nearly the solution for all the answers have been provided. Okay. So there is one question in the exercise 5a, that is question number 9, in which the some numbers are given in rectangles and the two connecting lines are given, and at the ending of that line there is a circle given. So the alphabets written in the circles, if you are multiplying them, you will get the answer as the number written in your rectangle. Okay. So in these questions we are forming the equations and after that we are finding out the factors. हम क्या करते हैं, फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं, क्योंकि वो जो नंबर अगर मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आंसर आ रहा है दैट मीन्स वो फैक्टर होगा. ठीक है. तो आपको उस तरीके से करना है. एंड इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एंड द डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ n आर गिवन एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ इक्वेशन. ओके. सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द टेस्ट फॉर डिविजिबिलिटी. हमने इसके बाद क्या पढ़े थे? वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द tests for divisibility. So which numbers test for divisibility we have studied? We have studied the divisibility for the 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Okay, so the divisibility for 2 is when the ending digit or the digit at the unit place of a numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Which numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the ending digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we say that without doing any division, we can directly say that number is divisible by 2. Of course, that means any even number is divisible by 2 because all the even numbers are having the ending digits 0, 4, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, the divisibility by 2 is the number ending on the digits or the digits at the unit place are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or you can say कि डिविजिबिलिटी फॉर 2 ये होती है कि कोई भी इवन नंबर उससे डिवाइड होता है बिकॉज ऑल द इवन नंबर्स आर हैविंग 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the ending places. Okay, that is the divisibility by 2. For example, we are taking the examples for it just like 1004, 24, 68, 39, 64, 58, 96 and 4062, 4062. ठीक है, all these numbers are divisible by 2 as their ending digits are 2, 6, 4, 8. Okay, so this is the divisibility for 2. Now next is divisibility for 3. Divisibility for 3. So, what is the divisibility for 3? The divisibility for 3 is when you are dividing a number for the 3, you have to check, suppose if you have to check a given number is divisible by 3 or not. What you have to do? You have to divide it by 3. But if the number is too lengthy, then the divisibility comes. तब use होता है divisibility का. So, what is the divisibility by 3? The divisibility by 3 is when the digits of the given number get added. जब given number के सारे ही digits को add किया जाता है and your addition is a multiple of 3. If you are adding the digits, ठीक है, suppose ये आपका number है, ठीक है, इसे हम बोलते हैं नंबर और नंबर में जो ये एक एक होते हैं सारे 1, 2, 3, 4, ये जो एक है इन्हें बोलते हैं डिजिट्स. ठीक है, सो इफ यू आर एडिंग द डिजिट्स ऑफ अ नंबर, if you are adding the digits of a number and if you are getting the sum as the multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay, now the next divisibility is for the, okay, so examples are remaining. So the example for the 3 are 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, then 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now next is 9, 4, 5, 6, 3. 9, 4, 5, 6, 3. All these numbers are okay. 9, 4, 5, 3, 6. All these three numbers are divisible by 3 as their sum is a multiple of 3. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So 144 is divisible by 9. Now next 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now next 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18 and 18 plus 3 is 21 and 21 plus 6 is 27. So this number is also the multiple of 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Now next the divisibility for the 5. So what is the divisibility for 5? The divisibility for 5 is when you are dividing a number by 5, or you can say if you have to check the given number is divisible by 5 or not, you have to check the ending digit of it. If the ending digits are or the digits at the unit place are 5 or 0, then you can say that the given number is divisible by 5. जब भी किसी नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे या लास्ट डिजिट उस नंबर का 0 या 5 होता है, हम बोलते हैं कि वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. जस्ट लाइक द एग्जाम्पल्स आर 4065 9570 9805. All these numbers are divisible by 5 as the ending digits are 5 0. Okay, so now next is divisibility for 9. So what is the divisibility for the 9? The divisibility for the 9 is just like divisibility of 9 is same as the divisibility of 3. So if you are adding the digits of the number and if you are getting the sum, the multiple of 9, then you can say that the given number is also divisible by 9. अगर आपका जो नंबर है उसके डिजिट्स का एडिशन 27 आता है तो आप 27 नहीं, अगर आपका जो डिजिट है उनका एडिशन अगर मल्टीपल ऑफ 9 आता है आप बोलोगे कि वो गिवन नंबर भी 9 से डिविजिबल होगा. After that the divisibility by 10. If the ending digit is 0, अगर किसी भी नंबर का एंडिंग डिजिट 0 है तो आप बोल दोगे कि वो नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल होगा. Okay, based on this we have solved some examples of it. So how to make the number which are divisible by 3. ये सारे हमने examples जो है वो आपके एक्सरसाइज 5B में लिए हैं कि हम अगर हमें चेक करना है कि गिवन डिजिट है वो डिविजिबल है 3 से या नहीं है, तो हम सारे डिजिट्स का एडिशन करते हैं एंड अगर आंसर जो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 आता है तो देन दैट मस्ट बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. हमें अगर कुछ नंबर्स दिए होते हैं और हमें बोला जाता है कि इससे आप 4 डिजिट नंबर्स बनाओ, दैट will be divisible by 5 or 2. You can make it. Okay, there are some questions in which you have to find out the smallest and the greatest value of the variable so that the number must be divisible by 3. Okay, so for that we have to check the values from for the smallest from 0 onwards and for the greatest 9 8 7. In this way let me say in the decreasing order. Okay, so some questions are also there in which the conditions are given. आपको बोलेगा कि आपको वैल्यू निकालनी है बट आपको इस फ्रेम्स के बीच में निकालनी है, मतलब 0 से बड़ी होनी चाहिए, 7 से छोटी होनी चाहिए, आप 7 से बड़ी वैल्यू नहीं ले सकते, 0 से छोटा वैल्यू नहीं ले सकते. तो देन कंडीशंस आर मैनी बट द मेन थिंग इज द टेस्ट फॉर डिविजिबिलिटी रिमेन सेम. आपको सिर्फ टेस्ट फॉर डिविजिबिलिटी याद रखनी है. The concepts and the different types of conditions can be applied on the question so as to find out the answer. Okay, so that is your lesson number 5. So we have completed all the lessons, that is lesson number 1 2 3 4 5 and the 7. Only lesson number 6 that is in the middle is remaining, which we are already started in our lecture. Okay, so all these 6 lessons are completed. I hope all these 6 lessons, all the exercises have been completed in your notebook and you are ready with it and you are practicing it well. So all the exercises do, if you are not completed yet, so completed it and do it properly and as soon as possible. Do it as fast as you can, because if your work is pending then maths is not understandable. आपको जिस दिन का वर्क उसी दिन करना है so that आपके जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो क्लियर है, क्योंकि जिस दिन जो चीज़ समझाई जाती है अगर आप उसी दिन उसका होमवर्क करते हैं so that will be helpful for you. Okay, so all these 6 lessons you have to complete in your notebook and practice it well for your examinations. Okay, so this is your short summary of the lesson number 5, that is playing with numbers. Okay, so with this we are completing our we are ending our lecture. So bye, take care.